Hangzhou Leisu Cleaning Equipment Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise which professional in car wash equipment research and development, production, sales, and service. Gathered a group of professional innovation technical team with R&D excellent quality, intelligent car wash equipment, and being the pioneer of China car wash system industry. Leisu Wash 360 is an intelligent car washing system with dozens of national invention patents. This system can automatically complete the vehicle cleaning, care, waxing, polishing, coating, air drying, etc. processes. With card or online payment system, can achieve 24-hour self-service car wash. When the arrow light turns on, the vehicle enters the car wash bay. LED and voice prompt system, guided vehicles to complete self-parking. 3D detection system will measure vehicle position and start car washing process automatically after 3, 2, 1 countdown. Leisu Wash 360 Intelligent Rotate Arm adopt unique up and down ectopic design. Linear to follow the car body with precise adjustment of flushing distance. High-quality world-leading American spray nozzles can achieve water saving and boosting effect. Hardness material ensure nozzles work long lifetime with high-pressure water. Innovative, non-resistance rail suspension design make rotate arm running more lightly and stable with promised frequency control and servo drive. Effectively enhance the running speed. Flushing a circle takes only 28 seconds. Save water 50%. Energy saving 60%. Leisu Wash 360 equipped with an intelligent chemical mixing system. A variety of liquid packages mixed, atomized to form fine particles, more thorough contact with stains, and thoroughly remove dirt. Through precise matching and smart metering, spraying a car need only 20 to 50 milliliter chemicals. Precise control the costs. Overglow High Gloss Application System will help you grow your car wash business. This innovative system create a silky smooth sheet of solution draping their vehicle. The bright colorful LED light illuminated the solution during the application, providing a unique and entertaining customer experience. Your customer will love very shiny vehicle and you will love the extra revenue. Thick Magic Shampoo makes cleaning maintenance component fully contact with dirt, thereby improving the efficiency of decontamination, making the car paint moist and bright. Leisu Wash 360 also provides more care function. Soft water wax coating can form a layer of hard protective film on the car surface with super waterproof, acid rain, anti-ultraviolet erosion, etc. Not only the vehicle paint become brilliant, also protect paint to be damaged by dust and gravel. Leisu Wash 360 unique integrated air drying system can fast drying the vehicle within 50 seconds, including vehicle crevices. Leisu Wash 360 control the airflow through 4 cylindrical air outlet. The first outlet split the air to optimize the airspeed. Make strong wind arrive to vehicle body at the shortest time. Whether a tall SUV or low-body sports car can achieve effective drying result. Leisu Wash 360 also provides more user-friendly designs, such as automatic cleaning chassis, tires and mirrors, one-key antifreeze, faulty alarm, safety tips, intelligent collision avoidance, etc. Leisu Wash 360 is a high-quality and safety product. Each module, each function fully implement the safety of the design concept. Before each device starts to run, all the sensing and operation control modules will be tested for safety scanning, so as to find out the hidden dangers in advance. Real-time monitoring on the power phase loss, under voltage, over voltage, overload. The motor also uses advanced thermal detection technology. After several years development, Leisu Wash constantly improve product quality and after-sales service, and constantly refresh the marketing areas.